Linya na ni, kaya namin appointment at 2:45. But then, since ayaw man may naabot, ipalinya na ni. So, kami na sunod. So, muna, we have each family, each person na ay
So, hi everyone! Dito kami sa mall. It was taken like 3 weeks ago bago magpasko. Nakapabook ako ng session with Santa Claus. So, merong 5 digital photos na ibibigay sa binayaran namin na appointment with Santa Claus. So, andito kami, naka-line up, naghihintay sa turn namin. So, sa online ko lang to binook, nasa CF Redo Center sa mall sa Ottawa. Tapos, pipili ka lang ng time pero medyo maaga kami dumating. So, pumila na agad kami kasi okay lang daw. So, it's our turn. So, ganito yung setup nila. Tapos, yan yung parang website. Tapos, may pag-claim ng photo, itatype mo lang dun sa parang may computer nila na sa email mo. Tapos, dun nila isi-send. So, ayun na guys, it's our turn. And enjoy na enjoy yung mga bata kasi nakipag-usap din sila kay Santa Claus.
Wow, you've got a beautiful snow white jacket on. Eh? No, could you tell me?
Goggles.
Okay.
Goggles store.
Okay. And what do you like?
Yeah, and the gift card for my game.
Oh, okay. And how much should the gift card be for?
Maybe 25 or 10.
Oh, that's not unreasonable.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Okay.
So cute.
I can see you now.
Smile.
So, ito na guys. Ito yung sinasabi kong parang computer. Ewan ko ba na may camera. Dito ko in-input yung email address ko. Tapos, around 10 minutes ata, pagkalabas namin dyan, natanggap ko na yung 5 photos at ang gaganda nila guys. So, ganito usually dito sa Canada. Kapag malapit ang Pasko, sa mga malls, may mga ganitong session with Santa Claus. So, piliin mo lang kung saan ka magbubook kasi yung iba mahal. Dito okay lang. I just paid $17 all in all. Tapos 15 minutes din kaming nag-pictorial. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!